Morning children, we are continuing the exercise 6.5 lesson. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonal. Here ABCD is a rhombus. Sum of the squares of its sides AB square plus BC square plus DC square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Here what we have a rhombus ABCD. We have a rhombus ABCD. Since the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other, at right angles. Therefore, these angles 90, these all four angles are 90. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to 90 degree and angle AOD is equal to angle COD is equal to 90 degree. OA equals OC and OB equals OD. Now, these four triangles are right triangles. First, this one is O. What is AB square from a right triangle OAB? OAB. What is AB square? AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square. Equation 1. And a right triangle. Next one. BOC. What is BC square? BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. This is equation 2. Again, from right triangle ODC. Right triangle ODC. DC square is equal to OC square plus OD square. Equation 3. Again from right triangle ODA. What is AD square? AD square is equal to OA square plus OB square. This is equation 4. Adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to AB square plus BC square plus DC square plus AD square is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OB square plus OC square plus OC square plus OD square plus OA square plus OB square. Equals AB square plus BC square plus DC square plus AD square is equal to OA square plus OA square, 2OA square plus 2OB square plus 2OC square plus 2OD square. equals 2 common 2 into OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OD square equals 2 into OA square plus OB square plus we have OA is equal to OC. So change this OC to OA square and OB is equal to OD. So this OD to OB square equals 2 times 2 OA square plus 2 OB square. Again we take 2 outside. 2 into 2, 4 into OA square plus OB square. But in the figure, 4 into this rhombus A, B, C, D, O. What is OA? OA is equal to AC by 2. AC by 2 whole square plus OB. OB is equal to BD by 2 whole square. This OB is half BD or BD by 2 whole square equals 4 into AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4 equals multiplying throughout by 4. 4 cancelled. AC square plus BD square, that is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. That is the sum of the squares of the four sides AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals AC square plus BD square. Question number 2. In the figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC such that OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB show that 1. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Second question, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. These are the two questions. Then this question has 2 parts. Then in the figure is given. Look at the figure. A, B, C. B, D, E, F. Listen, in the figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle. This point is O. O is a point in the interior of a triangle. ABC is such that OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square. For that we join OC, OB, OA. Join OA, OB, OC and prove that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Here what is given? We have a triangle ABC. We have a triangle ABC, comma O is a point. O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC such that OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB. First, what we have to prove? To prove this, we join OA, OB and OC. Join OA, OB and OC. Now, we take the triangles from first one, from right triangle OAF, from right triangle OAF, which is the hypotenuse here. What is OA? OA is the hypotenuse. OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square by Pythagoras theorem. Then take the next triangle ODB, from right triangle ODB. What is OB square? OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square from by Pythagoras theorem. Again what is OC square? From right triangle OEC. What is OC square? OC square is equal to CE square plus OE square. CE square plus OE square by Pythagoras theorem. Then adding these three, OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Adding 1, 2 and 3. This is 1, 2, 3. OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Left side equal to right side. OF square plus AF square plus OD square plus BD square plus CE square plus OE square. Our question is prove that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square. Bring this OD to left side. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Bring these three squares, bring left side. Then remaining, what is remaining here? First one, AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Hence proved first. Now we have to prove second. Second one is, first is over. Then second question to prove that AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Second, in right triangle OBD and ODC, in right triangle OBD and OCD, what is OB square? OB square is equal to OD square plus this OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. Then what is OC square? OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. Then what is OB square minus OC square? Is equal to OD square plus BD square minus OD square minus DC square. OB square minus OC square is equal to OD cancelled, BD square minus DC square. This is equation 1. Here we take these two triangles and find out OB square, OC square, then subtract. OB square minus OC square is equal to BD square minus DC square. Then again, similarly, we take the next side. Next side is this side. What is OB square minus OA square? OC square minus OA square. OC square minus OA square is equal to CE square. Similarly, we can write here OB square minus OC square is BD square minus DC square. Similarly, we can write OC square minus OA square is CE square minus AE square. Equation 2. Then again, OA square minus OB square. OA square minus OB square is equal to OA square minus OB square is AF square minus BF square. Equation 3. 1, 2, 3. Then adding 1, 2 and 3. Adding 1, 2 and 3. What is the left side? Left side, first one, OB square minus OC square. Then OC plus OC square minus OA square plus OA square minus OB square is the left side of 3 equations. Then what is its right side? BD square minus DC square plus CE square minus AE square plus third AF square minus BF square. Now OB square cancelled, OC square cancelled, OA left side 0 is equal to BD square minus DC square plus CE square minus AE square plus AF square minus BF square brings this is 0. This negatives to left side. These 3 negatives are positive. So DC square plus AE square plus BF square is equal to what is left here? BD square plus CE square plus AF square. So our answer is we have to prove AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. hence proved. Then third question, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north a speed of 1000 kilometer per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport, and flies due west at a speed of 1200 kilometer per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? 1.5 hours. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Here the direction. You know in geography, north, south, east, west. Then here this A is the airport and first plane flies due north. This is the position of plane 1, position C. And at the same time another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west. West is this side. West, plane 2, west. Point is this. This point is B. And at a speed of 1200 km per hour. Join this. We have to calculate this BC. How far apart will be the two planes? Plane 1, plane 2. What is the distance BC? We have to calculate the distance BC. For that, first we find AB and AC after 1.5 hours. The distance is given after 1.5 distance. This distance AC is 1000 into 1.5 and distance AB is 1200 into 1.5. Listen, first we have to write what is given. Let the point A represents the airport. Represents the airport. Let the plane 1 fly towards north north. Distance of the plane 1 from the airport after 1.5 hours is equal to speed distance. What is the first speed of 1000? Speed into distance is speed into time. 1000 into 1.5 is equal to 1500 kilometer. This is 1500 kilometer. And let plane 2 flies towards west. Let plane 2 flies towards west. Next line, distance of the plane 2. Distance of plane 2 from the airport. Plane 2 from the airport after 1.5 hours is equal to 1200 into 1.5 equals 1800 kilometer. This distance is 1800 kilometer. We have to find BC. To find BC distance, here this triangle CAB is a right triangle. So what is BC? Is equal to square root of 1500 square plus 1800 square equals 225 and 4 zeros plus 18, 324 and 4 zeros. We add these two, we get 549 and 4 zeros, which is equal to square root of 549, 61 into 9, 549. So 61 into 9 and 4 zeros equals root 61 into root of 9 is 3 and 4 zeros inside square root, outside 2 zeros is equal to 300 root 61 kilometer. That is the distance between the two planes. 300 root 61 kilometer. Question number 4, that is 12th question in the text. Two poles of heights 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plane ground. stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. Find the distance between their tops. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. Two poles. This is one pole and this is another pole. A, B, and this is CD. A, B and CD are two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the pole is, this distance is given 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. Their tops means, this is AB, tops means BD. To calculate BD, to find the length BD is the question. For finding the length BD, we make here a right triangle. For that, draw DE. What about the distance AC and DE are equal? 12 meter. And this full distance is 11 meter. And this distance CD is 6. So, this also 6. This EB is 6. Total 11. So, this distance is 5. So, listen what is given here. Let the two poles AB and CD are such that the distance between their feet is 12 meter. That is, AC is equal to 12 meter and height of poles CD is equal to 6 meter and AB is equal to 11 meter. Then here DE. What is DE? Therefore, DE is equal to 12 meter and BE is equal to AB minus AE. Also AE equals CD equals 6. AB 11 minus 6 is equal to BE is equal to 5 meter. Here listen, this distance is given 12 meter, so this also 12. And this is 6, so this also 6. This AB height of pole is 11, so this BE distance is 5 meter. Now we have to find BD. Here this BD is a right triangle. Find the distance between their top is the question. BED is a right triangle. Therefore, BD square is equal to DE square plus EB square. BD is equal to square root of, what is DE? 12 square plus EB 5 square equals square root of 144 plus 25 equals square root of 169 equals 13 meter. Therefore, distance between their tops is equal to 13 meter. Thank you.